Kevin, a big part of Mills CNC's success is their initiatives and their supporting of their customers. We're here to learn a bit about, or more about, Smart Options. Can you tell us about what this is?
Yeah, sure. Well, we introduced Smart Options about 6 months ago, and the first option was Smart Rental. That has worked very, very well for us, and to then enhance our customers, we've now introduced the Smart Warranty package.
Okay, so what does a Smart Warranty give a user of one of these machines over and above a standard warranty?
Well, it's a comprehensive package. We have 5-year warranty plan, so that's full 5 years covered parts and labour. We also cover 5 years customer damage, so possible collision caused by misprogramming, caused by operator error of misadjustment of offsets, etc. We also offer within this package a 5-year service plan and a 5-year servicing parts kits as well. So
okay, this is important to mention as well, though, the machine tools that this actually applies to. Could you give us an overview of the machines that
Yeah, we're looking at our very high-end machines here. So there's 2 models initially, which is our VCF machine and also our SMX machine.
What about the 5 years? Let's say I'm using one of these machines and I'm in a production environment, I'm looking to get the best out of it, I'm going to be running 3 shifts.
Yep.
Does the 5 years still apply to a 3-shift environment?
Absolutely. When we say 5 years, it's 5 years. So there's no limit on the running hours, so it could be 24/7 for 5 years.
Now tell me a little bit more about the servicing involved as well throughout the period. Is it something I need to initiate? Do I need to ring Mills to get an engineer in?
No, not at all. It's all controlled by Mills. Everything that we try and do is controlled by Mills. So you'll be contacted by our servicing manager, who will organise a pre-planned date for the servicing visit. That will be months in advance, probably 6 months in advance. That doesn't mean that the date is solid and fixed. We can adjust to suit production requirements, but it gives us an indication of when we need to attend the site, and hopefully the customer will plan some of his production around that date.
Now the warranty itself, does that cover every aspect of the machine? Because there's often a lot of scepticism around warranties and how they work. Are we talking about spindles? Are we talking about the mechanics, the electronics?
Yeah, we're talking of every part and component of the machine, and it's basically you could say a burnt out part, a broken part, a failed part. We also consider collision damage. So as I said previously, if the operator makes an unfortunate error, crashes the spindle, that spindle is fully covered, and that's parts, labour and the new spindle.
Now, why have you introduced this initiative, Kevin? Why has Smart Options come about?
Well, Smart Options, initially my idea with Smart Options is everybody will have heard of Smart Factory. So we are on the lead up to Smart Factory from Doosan. So we introduced the Smart Rentals, now the Smart Options, and over the next year there'll be several more Smart Options coming in until we eventually launch our Smart Factory package.
So the benefit itself is peace of mind? Is that one of the...
Yeah, absolutely. I think that, for many customers, as we know on a high technology machine like this, should you have a breakdown, should you have an unfortunate collision, the price is not always the cheapest to get it repaired. So knowing that you've got 1,825 days free of any unexpected invoices has got to be a big bonus to the customer.
I can look at this and I can see myself as the owner of a machine shop coming to buy a piece of kit that's this sophisticated, thinking that by having your support and that peace of mind might push me over the line. Is that what Mills are hoping? Yeah,
well, we hope that, and also that the Mills package, the Mills standard package is behind it. So we are very, very customer focused in what we deliver. For us, it's not just about delivering a machine. It's not about, just making sure it works. It's about supporting the customer thereafter. So it's the whole package that we encompass.
There's one more point I'd like to touch on, and this is, you spoke about earlier about the collision, operator error, programming error. Is there any grey areas in that? Really, if I came along and made a mistake on the program and smashed the B-axis into the chuck, that's covered?
That's completely covered. If we was talking of, I wouldn't even call it a grey area, what is considered to be accidental damage, Right, now for instance, if a forklift truck ran into the machine, unfortunately that's not covered, right, because it's not a machine function. If the operator turned round with a long bar, hit the control, that's not covered. Any collision, any other damage is fully covered.
So, to summarise, full 5-year warranty regardless of hours,
Yep.
covering all parts, electronics, mechanics and also programmer error.
Exactly.
Is this Mills thinking outside the box once again?
Of course, that's what we do. We are different to our competitors. We're always looking to enhance what we deliver to our customers, and this is our next step yet again.